Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to unbox my Orna boxes for the month of May. And again today also I am with no makeup look. Aaj though, like, I haven't even done my dark circles, I haven't even corrected them. I just have my eyebrows and lipstick on, nothing on my face except the serum, that's it. Anyways, so let's just move on to the unboxing. And I also received their lifestyle box which they have introduced this month, so I'll be doing a separate video for that box in a separate video. So stay tuned for that. So let's just open these jewelry boxes and let's see what I got this time. Alright, so these are the boxes, the green one and the blue one. The green one retails for 499 Indian rupees, whereas the blue one retails for 799 Indian rupees. Yes, they have revised their prices, and also they have revised their packaging. So so first of all, I'll be just opening the green box and I'll show you what I got in this box. Alright, so the very first thing I can see are two pairs of earrings. And okay, so one is these black metal and rhinestone earrings. These are gorgeous. Oh my god, look at them. They are so pretty. They are so classy and so pretty looking. I'm just gonna wear it and show you how they look on me. And please excuse me in this video for having no makeup on. Yeah, so I am like pretty busy these days because my in-laws are here. So yeah, that's why I am, just filming really quickly this video just to show you guys what I got this time. So this is how the earrings are looking on me, and they are super gorgeous. Alright, next also I see earrings, and these are pretty. They're so pretty. Oh my god. Ooh, love these earrings. These are so gorgeous. Oh my god. These are like jhumka style earring, and I can see 3 jhumkas in one earring, so which is amazing. Look at how pretty they are. I am in love with these earrings. These are so gorgeous. Oh my god. Now let's just move on to more jewelry pieces. Alright, here I see some rings, or a ring. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's like a bracelet cum ring. It's more like a, what do you call, hath fool? No, there are two separate things. One is this bracelet and the other is this pretty bow ring. Look how pretty it is. It has pearls in it and it looks really pretty. And the next thing I see is this bracelet, really dainty, and I think I'm just gonna wear it like on a daily basis. Yeah, this is really pretty. Alright, so till now I am gone through with 4 things. I think the last thing is left, which is the neck piece. And this is the neck piece I got. It's a huge chunky black metal neck piece. Look how gorgeous it is. Super pretty. Alright, so those were the 5 things I got in 499 box, and now I'm just gonna open the blue box, which is here, and this one is 799 box. So let's just open and see what jewelry pieces I got this time. Alright, this is how the box looks like from inside. And the very first thing I can see are wooden earrings, and these are like danglers, big danglers, and they are like they look like a white wood. So this is how they're very light in weight, so they won't harm your ears or they won't hurt your ears in any manner. They're very light, like feather light, I would say. So I'm just gonna wear it and see how they look on me. So this is how they're looking, and they are looking so gorgeous, and plus they are very light for your ears. I don't even feel that I have anything on my ears. They're so light, they're so much feather like. I love them. Especially I love this thing that they don't have any weight. So yeah, they're super pretty as well. Alright, now let's just move on to other jewelry pieces. Okay, I see a statement ring here as well. This is how the ring looks like. Big chunky gold ring, statement ring. And the next thing I see are earrings, and look how cute the little box is. I think they're earrings, I think. Ooh, yes, they are earrings, and they are pretty flower earrings, and they're hangings. Look how pretty they are. They look like daisies, and if you don't know that, my pet name is Daisy. Everybody calls me Daisy, not Kavya. So yeah, this is how the earrings are looking, and let me just wear it and show you how pretty they are. I love these earrings. Look how pretty they are looking. Super pretty earrings again. Let's just move on to other things. All right, so the next thing I see is again a pair of earrings, and again they are super pretty and super gorgeous. Ooh, they are so pretty and unique. Oh my god, look at these earrings. They are so pretty. Love it. Oh my god, I'm just gonna wear it quickly and show you guys how they look on me. Oh my god, these are so gorgeous. इनमें तो वो वाली look आ रही है, what do you call, Banjaro wali, like gypsy look. Oh my god, they are so pretty. Love these earrings. They're so pretty. All right, till now I got 3 earrings in this box and 1 ring, and now let's just move on to other jewelry piece. I think I'm just left with 1 more jewelry piece, which is a neck piece, and it is quite heavy and chunky. All right, oh, so it's more like a set. I also got 2 earrings with it, like 2 stud earrings, and this is how the neck piece looks like. It's so pretty. Again, it is like really pretty cobalt blue or royal blue stones it has, and yeah, it looks really pretty. And it also comes with studs, which is good, because with this huge chunky necklace I would never wear something chunky. I would definitely wear something like this with it, so which is really practical and wearable. So really loved the neck piece, actually the whole set. So yeah, that finishes my $7.99 box as well, the blue box. Yeah, so I totally loved both the boxes this time, especially the earrings. I am in love with earrings of both the boxes. Yeah, I love these earrings, and in the $3.99 one box I'm sorry, in the $4.99 one box I loved these earrings. So yeah, everything was gorgeous, and I completely loved them, and everything is wearable as well. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this month's Orna boxes. And also soon I'm just gonna share my thoughts about their lifestyle boxes. I still haven't opened that box. I will be doing unboxing in front of you, in front of the camera, so that you can, you know, actually see my reactions while opening the box. So I'll be sharing that soon. Lastly, a little update. I am running really busy these days. I have my parents-in-law here, so I can't really film a lot of videos for you guys, especially makeup videos. I know a lot of you are requesting me makeup videos, but for me it's a little difficult, so thank you for having patience. And I also have lots of celebrity inspired makeup looks in my mind, but it's not possible right now for me. Yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed this unboxing with me, and I completely enjoyed this unboxing with you guys. So yeah, that's it for the video. And if you're new to my channel, watching me for the first time, then do hit the subscribe button, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.